Hi guys, this is Nash Sharma, and in this session we will discuss how to customize the detail screen and edit screen in Microsoft Power Apps. Now we check now how to customize the detail screen in the Power Apps. So detail screen, and now we have the details of the all the fields displayed in this screen. So we check the form. So this is all together. The collection of the all the fields is called the form. Now in the forms we have the card. The naming convention you can observe in the left side. This naming convention has been generated by the system itself. So first of all we check year of sales data card 1. If we click this one, so we can check a rectangle around this year of sales and the value. In this rectangle we have the two value, data card value and then data card key. And if you check in the formula, this is the parent dot display. So what is the parent? Parent means this card. This rectangle is the parent and card value it's a parent dot default. Then parent key it's a name, display name parent dot. So also you can observe the other cards, sales date card, then quantity sold, product card and the country card. Now we check the properties of this form. So first of all we have the table data source. So this data is coming from this table to, if we check, it is connected to the our Google Drive, and other option table 2 and the connectors. So we can change these tables and the connectors, but for now we will discuss only the properties. Next is the fields. If we click the edit fields, so we can see the order of the list displayed on the screen. The first of all we have the year of sales, second the country, the product, then quantity sold and the sale date. We can change the order of these fields. Suppose we want the country on the top one, then just drag and drop. So you can see in the left side on the screen. So the screen also changed. Now we have the country on the top, which means the first card. Second, the snap to columns. By default on, it means if it is on, then all the cards are divided equally in width and height. Then columns 1, by default all fields are displayed in single column, but you can change, say if you say 2, then 2 column. Now we have the data in the 2 columns. Then layout vertical, by default vertical. If you say horizontal, so this is the format in case of the horizontal. Then position, you can change the XY position. Then the size and the color. Say simply if you want to change the background color, so like if we observe the display name in the card, each and every card we have the country, then product, quantity sold. And if we check our Excel files, so these are the headers: country, product, quantity sold, year of sales. Now suppose we want to change this display name. So how to change that one? Country and then. So this is the functions parent dot display name. Suppose I want the country name. So just simply type the country name in double quotes. So this is the property text equal to country name. So you can see the result country name. Say quantity sold. So you can see the quantity sold. So this is how you can change the display name in the Power. We check how to take the reference of the data card default value in other item. Say preview. Now in the header we have the static value, that is table 2. If I go back and say select second card, then the value is the same, always same, because this is a static value assigned to this label. Now if we check this label, this is the LBL label 2. So value is static. Now my requirement is When I click a particular card, a particular item, then the country name and the product name should be displayed in this label. So I can take the reference of these cards, the country and the product. If I click this one, so this is the parent, and if I click value, so this is parent.default. So I can take the reference this card dot default. It means it will display the value, say pencil or country name. Okay, I select this one. Now I say country data card dot default. So you can observe the France in preview, France, Canada. Then click France and France. Suppose I also need the product name along with the country name in the title. Say concatenate, then other card, product data card one dot default. Okay, we check preview, France pencil. Now Canada pen. So in the title we have the Canada pen, and Germany CPU. Then we have the Germany CPU in the title. So this is how you can assign the property, or you can take the reference of the data card in any item. So guys, this was all about how to customize the detail screen and the edit screen, and how to assign the properties. Thanks for watching the video.